Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create responsive buttons in Elementor. This is incredibly useful if you want your buttons to look perfect across all devices, from desktop computers to tablets and mobile phones. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and click on Add Page, then select Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor where you'll be building your responsive button. Now look for the plus icon in the canvas area and click it to add a new section. When the layout options appear, select a single column structure. This gives you a clean foundation to work with. After that, click the plus button at the upper left of the page to start adding elements to your section. Next, you'll want to search for button in the left panel's widget search bar. Once you see it, click on it to add the button widget to your section. The button will appear on your canvas, ready to be customized. Click the button to open its settings panel. You'll land on the Content tab first. Here, type your button text in the text field based on your preferences. This could be something like Get Started, Learn More, or Download. Now, whatever fits your website's purpose, below that, you'll see a link field. Enter the URL where you want the button to direct users when they click it. Now it's time to make your button responsive. Switch to the Style tab. Here, set your padding to relative units like 1. Using relative units instead of fixed pixel values ensures your button scales properly across different screen sizes. This is a crucial step for true responsiveness. Finally, head over to the Advanced tab, look for the responsive option, and click it. At the bottom of the panel, you'll see device symbols for desktop, tablet, and mobile. You can toggle between these to preview and adjust how your button appears on each device. This feature gives you complete control over your button's appearance across all screen types. And that's it. You've successfully created a responsive button in Elementor that will adapt beautifully to any device your visitors use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.